which in turn attracts big predators, like sharks. This nurse shark is unusually active for the daytime. Usually, a nurse shark will hide under ledges or in crevices of the reef and come out at night to eat dormant fish that are hiding in the coral. Nurse sharks are slow-moving bottom dwellers and, for the most part, harmless to humans, although they can grow up to 14 feet, more than 4 meters in length. Their strong jaws allow them to crush shellfish and even coral if need be, but they prefer to eat shrimp, fish, and squid. The reef also provides a place for algae and sponges to grow. This provides food for a variety of creatures. For example, the sea turtle. The hawksbill sea turtle, like most other kinds of sea turtles, is endangered. Hunted for their meat and for their shells, trapped in commercial fishing nets to drown, and sickened by pollution, their populations are declining. These turtles rely on the food that grows on the coral reef, and the reef, in turn, relies on the turtles. It's a partnership that benefits both creatures. The turtles get a reliable source of food. The reef system gets a less obvious advantage. Without the turtles coming to eat the algae and sponges, they would overgrow the reef, preventing the coral from growing and expanding. With lowered turtle populations in oceans worldwide, the health of coral reef systems will suffer. It is important for people to do our best to protect these peaceful reptiles, not just for their sakes, but for the health of the entire coral ecosystem. Turtles and coral aren't the only partners you can find on the reef. Sea anemones are another animal that seems more like a plant. A relative of both coral polyps and jellyfish, anemones have their own partner to help make life easier: clownfish. Although it may not look like it, anemones are predators. They have stinging cells in their tentacles that allows them to paralyze their prey, usually small fish or shrimp, and then move them towards their mouth. Clownfish escape the anemone's sting by covering themselves in a protective layer of mucus. By hiding inside the anemone, clownfish are protected from predators that don't want to be hurt by the anemone. But what does the anemone get out of this, you may ask? Well, the little clownfish can chase away butterfly fish that would eat the anemone, and they can also clean the anemone of parasites and bits of food that the anemone has no way of cleaning itself. There's one more unusual pairing we're going to talk about today. Can you guess what parrotfish and beaches have to do with each other? Parrotfish are a distinctive family of fish species with a tough, bony beak so strong